Hi everyone, just a quick video to show you how to update your build. We're seeing a lot more these days, wizards and kind of things, pop-ups and whatnot to tell users when a build update is available, and a user can get directed straight into the wizard, into a build section, and they can download an update for the chosen build. Not really a problem with it, but the one downside to this method is that your users always downloading your complete build, so that can be anywhere from 20, 30, 40 meg up to a couple of gig, and every time you update something your users pulling that down. It can be quite a lengthy process. This method just installs what you've updated, so it could be a couple of meg in size and can install in seconds. Not my method. I didn't come up with it. It's not my idea. I got it off of Trent. Credit where credit's due. I use it in my build. It's very handy, so I thought I'd share it with you guys too. Right, so I have a simple setup. It's just Kodi with Silvo installed. First thing I'm going to do is install an add-on. I'm already set up ready to go to install Exodus, so we'll install Exodus now. What I'm also going to do is I'm going to install a background, and then I'll show you what files you need to zip up. So right, Exodus enabled. Okay, and then we'll just set a background for one section in. So we'll go videos, select a background. I'm going to use. It doesn't really matter. I'm just going to set anything for this instance. So we'll go for one of the default backgrounds. So we'll set videos to the movies. You can see using the method special home. It's already set to special, so I don't need to edit any paths beforehand. So let me just check it's changed. Yeah, so there you go. I have a background and I have an add-on installed. I'm not going to link it to the menu. You guys know how to do all that. So what I'm going to do now is go to my app data folder, my roaming Kodi folder, or kind of portable Kodi setup, depends on how you've got your setup. So mine is portable, so I'm going to open that folder. I've created another folder ready for this, called Quick Update. So what we then need to do is to replicate the folder structure exactly, so that Kodi knows where it's going to put stuff. So we've installed an add-on, so we're going to need an add-ons folder, and we've installed a background, so we're going to need to capture the settings from the user data folder. So we'll go for add-ons first, and the video.exodus folder, so you need your plugin folder for the add-on that you're taking over. Some of them might need more than one folder. You've just copied them over, same thing. Right, and I also used a background from here, so we're going to need to replicate the skin.eon.nox skin.eon. And then in there, a backgrounds folder. Obviously your backgrounds and stuff can be anywhere, so just make sure you copy them from the right folder and replicate exactly the folder structure so that Kodi knows where it needs to go. So we'll copy that one over. Okay, and then we'll need the user data. So go on both sides. we're going to need an add-on data folder because the skin information is in add-on data. And there's only one file in there generally, so we'll copy that over. Okay, so they were the only changes that I made for this demo. So you would now be ready to zip your files. You don't need to edit any XMLs because I used the special path. So if you haven't done it that method, then obviously make sure you edit your files and stuff before you upload it. So if I'm going to right click and send to a compressed zip folder. Okay, and I'm going to call it quick update. Okay, now what you would do is upload said folder to said file, sorry, your quick update file, which as you can see here is only 1.1 meg in size. Upload that to your host or to archive, and then you would need to do exactly what you would do with your wizard and your build. So you edit your wizard text file. I've already got it open here, so I'll show you. So in this example file we have our build, Kodi help, and the URL for your build with your icon and your splash, and underneath that, with a space to separate, I'll have the second section, just like you would if you had multiple builds. And I've called this one Kodi help quick update. The build was Kodi help, so Kodi help quick update. And here it says build update. I called it quick update.zip. And then you can save that and upload your file. And next time you open your wizard, it will have a quick update section in it. And you can install from that, and it will probably take about a second to install. I hope I've covered that well enough for you. If you have any questions, ask on the group wall. Thanks a lot for listening.